Welcome to my channel AutoZone. The concept of a Chevrolet Vantage truck 2025 suggests a modern truck design that pays homage to Chevrolet's classic, vintage models, combining retro styling with modern technology. If Chevrolet were to release a 2025 truck with a vintage feel, here are some elements it might include. Classic design cues. A modern version might draw from iconic Chevrolet trucks like the 1950s Advanced design or the 1960s S70 SC10 series, featuring round headlights, a bold front grille, and clean, simple lines with chrome accents. Modern features. Despite the vintage exterior, a 2025 version would likely come equipped with all the latest technology: LED lighting, large infotainment displays, advanced driver assistance systems, and an eco-friendly engine, possibly electric or hybrid. Retro paint jobs. Bold, two-tone color schemes, like bright reds, blues, and creams paired with white roofs or fenders, would give it a nostalgic look while still being current. Interior. The inside might feature a blend of leather and modern fabrics, with nods to vintage designs like bench seating but with high-tech upgrades like touchscreens and wireless charging. Would you like a detailed visual concept of how this truck might look?